Hello guys, in this basic video we will learn how to disable startup sound in Windows 11. So first thing you have to do, click on this start, then type here control panel. Now left click on control panel. Here view by, so you will see three options. Select the second large icons. In case it can be different in your case, so select here large icons. And guys, in this all list you will see sound icon, so left click on it. Here third option sounds, so select it, and to disable and turn off startup sound, here is the option play Windows startup sound. Just guys, you have to uncheck this box. You have to uncheck this box to remove and to turn off Windows startup sound. Uncheck and then click on apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart. So guys, in this simple and easy way we can disable startup sound in Windows 11. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not.